Well, good morning, DPS family. I want to take an opportunity to visit with you and give you a little update today. First, I want to start off, since it's the week of Thanksgiving, with a little gratitude. And first and foremost, I want to say thank you to our parents. I want to say thank you for always encouraging your students to do their very best. Even though these times are difficult, you're doing your best and you're encouraging your students to do their best. I've spent many hours over the last few weeks speaking with many parents, and one thing remains consistent. You absolutely love your kids, and I want you to know that we also love your kids and are very grateful for all that you do to help them each and every day. I also want to say thank you to the students, your kids. It's been remarkable to see their diligence and their effort in trying to do their very best, and they've adapted very well. They are a pleasure to be with, and so thank you very much to the students of DPS. And last but not least, I want to say thank you to all the teachers and staff of DPS. You've gone above and beyond in many things. Many of you are covering for other teachers, other employees when they have to be gone because of this crazy COVID virus. Many of you have had to learn new programs and new ways to engage your students. Your days are never very consistently the same. Many of you have different assignments each and every day, and your adaptability has been incredible, and I just want to say thank you. Our full-time online instructors are doing marvelous work, and our kids are engaged, and you've really done well as well. So again, thank you very much for all that you do. And I just wanted to spend a minute and give everybody some information. I know everybody's wondering, when is DPS going to go back to full-time face-to-face? And I can't say this enough. I want you to know that we absolutely want your students back in school full-time face-to-face just as soon as possible. There are many indicators that we need to consider before doing that. We've been very fortunate in our board's approach with this hybrid learning. Although not necessarily ideal, we really believe it's been the best of kind of both situations here. We have been able to avoid closing classrooms, closing schools. You've noticed many schools in our area have not been so fortunate. Many schools in our area or across the state of North Dakota are closing and transitioning to full-time online. We've been very fortunate to have the hybrid plan be a consistent path for us. It's really helped us. We have currently today, if you check the school district's COVID tracker, you'll notice that we have approximately 30 staff members out. We have just over 100 students out. 30 staff members is a lot, and so we really need those numbers to be much less. We're working very closely with Sherry Adams and the Southwest District Health. That's another indicator that we need and our board needs in order to consider a transition back to more full-time face-to-face. We're currently sitting at about 13% positivity rate over the last couple of weeks. A month or two ago, we were sitting much closer to 6 or 7%, and really began those conversations of bringing kids back. And no sooner than we started those conversations, our numbers increased, and now we're in double digits. We need those numbers to be significantly lower. We need to have the comfort to know that there is space available in our hospitals for emergency care that may be needed. Right now our hospitals are extremely stretched thin, and we rely on our healthcare professionals to help us in whether it's a COVID related illness or some other illness. We need that comfort to know that we can get the help that we need, and right now they're feeling very stressed. So we really need to get those numbers down and watched. Our school board's committed to continuing to evaluate the current situation, and we plan to bring students back to school just as soon as we can possibly do that. Right now our board, after last night's meeting, has made a commitment to remain in hybrid for the time being until further notice. I anticipate that conversation, there won't be much change between now and Christmas, but hopefully after the holiday break, the board will be able to see the data that's needed to maybe consider making a change in January. We'll keep you posted as we get closer to January. So again, I want to conclude and wrap up today with reiterating the holiday season that we're approaching and the thankfulness. I'm grateful to each and every one of you for all that you do. I'm grateful for your caring attitude for our kids, and I want you to know that everybody here at DPS also cares, and we're going to do our very best to make the most out of this lemon that we call COVID. Thank you.